Okay, the topic for today would be restaurant business. The objective is inventory monitoring on a monthly basis. You have to make sure that the bill purchase for the whole month is encoded ng manager ng restaurant, and on the last day of the month, yung quantity sold na galing sa POS should be encoded as sales. Kaya yung given data before we can work. I will check kung meron siyang in-encode na following month. Ang papagawa sa atin is September. So, I need to check month of October kung wala siyang in-encode. Kasi kung meron, maghahalo yan dun sa quantity on hand. Hindi po pwede. So, I will check on the last month. Ang total encoded niya, lahat yan, puro September. It's around 674. Punta tayo sa customer, transaction, sales receipt. Okay, ang check natin was sa month of September. It's around 1.6. Tama. Tingnan natin kung may na-encode siya this month. Wala. Okay. So, ang next na gagawin natin is item list to be billed on pending build. Ito yung magiging guide ko no? At saka ito yung total quantity. As you can see, yung mga menu item, yung mga inventory assembly item, yung may benta, naka-negative kasi wala naman tayong ginawa wala naman tayong binild So, kung gusto mo makita yung raw materials, ito yung mga raw materials, inventory part. Okay? So, let's start the process. So, ganito lang ginagawa ko. You right-click, build assembly, and then, syempre, yung date dapat, last day of the month. Kasi, monthly report to no? Okay, 62. Pag sinabi niyang meron daw kulang na item na raw, okay lang. So, make pending. Ganun lang. So, ayan, lalabas dito yung to be built as 62. So, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. 49, may guide ka naman kung ilang piraso. Yan. 7. So, kung mapapansin mo, yung isa, walang naglabas na pending, na make pending. Kasi, kasya yung raw material. So, nagawa siya. So, kaya wala na siya, nag-zero out na siya. Try natin itong isa pa, 120. You just keep doing that hanggang sa, ito okay din. You just keep doing that hanggang lahat ng negative ay ma-build assembly mo. Since no inventory assembly was built, itong inventory assembly was the type ng item, no? Inventory assembly, yung menu. Therefore, all sold menu item will be negative quantity. So, ang gagawin na natin ay okay, I will continue doing this and then I will get back to you kapag katapos na para next topic.